Hello, this is Maren and Tara, and we are taking you on a company tour today. We are part of the social media team, and we thought that you would like to know where we all work.
Yes, hello, my name is Tara and I'm the person you can see on the video. Yeah, at the moment you have seen our building from the outside. Now I will introduce you into our entrance area where you can see many showcases with special memories.
We are moving fast today and I almost can't keep up, but here you can see our warehouse where we ship and storage our products. So in the next scenes you can see some of our co-workers, but they didn't want to be in the video, so we had to scurry through there very quickly.
Yes, here you can see beautiful motivational pictures, if you know what I mean, and this is the office of our workshop manager. We go directly to him now because he's rarely in the office, but rather in the workshop.
Like Tara told, he's in the garage working like always.
So, since we are part of the marketing team and not of the production team, we don't know what's going on in this area, but you can see some nice machines, I think, where we produce your tools. For example, on the left there you can see a CNC machine where we produce some interesting tools for you.
So now we're moving back to the warehouse, but this time from the other side, and
yeah. We know that it doesn't look very beautiful here, but I think that's what the warehouse looks like.
Yeah, that's practical.
Yes, exactly.
In the next few seconds, you will see my favorite scene of this whole video, because behind the scenes it was just funny, because we know that we wanted to make it faster, so I had to record, but...
Yes, I had to go up the stairs many times because Maren wasn't able to film it, and then
so
we were laughing and laughing.
It was just great. I love it. You can see it. So the people in the office are just as shy as downstairs when it comes to videos, which is why most of the office you're seeing right now are empty. But I promise you, one day I will get them on video, and you will see one of them. But yeah, here a little view.
Now you can see my office. Here it is.
She's very proud of that.
Beautiful.
Just for her alone. Yeah. Those offices are for finance. We also have a little kitchen for...
Very cute, I think.
For a break or something.
Yeah, the man you saw waving was Sasha, but I think you already know him.
So we don't have to introduce him.
So now you can see, as we always say, our mini museum, and I think you can see so many nice things in here, but I think we will make an extra video, Maren, or what do you say?
That's very much stuff. Many stuff?
Yes.
I don't know. So you will get an extra video of that. It's very interesting.
Yes, I think so.
So, you're about to do it with us, finally. We are coming to the last room.
Yes, hope you enjoyed the video and you're looking forward to many more videos with us. And by the way, this is our car garage for the Lockmaster part of the company.
See you next time.
Yes, bye-bye.